Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning the Narrator feature on or off on Xbox One. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Launch your Xbox and sign in to your profile. Click the Guide button on your controller to bring up the Guide menu. Scroll to the right until you get to System and then choose Settings. Now select Ease of Access from the bottom of the list. Open the options for Narrator. Here with this checkbox, you can either turn the narrator on or off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xbox tips and tricks.